Welcome back everyone, thanks for tuning in. Today we got a fun video lined up for you. We're going to do an unboxing and a quick demo, go over all the tools in this Skil 12-volt kit. Now this is the 5-piece kit. You got the drill driver, you got the impact driver, you got a cool little work light, you got a little radio, and the oscillating tool. Just picked this up at Lowe's, it's on sale, $1.50, figured why not, normally it's like $2.25. Yeah, so let me move the camera closer, we're going to go over all the tools inside and crack it open. One thing I really dislike about Lowe's is they have those little green beepers on all their tools. And if you so much as look at one of those freaking beepers, it goes off. And it's super annoying. And it's like, I don't think Lowe's has enough security. It's like, come on guys, seriously? There's a little knife action here. Ooh, look at that, the sweet EDC pocket knife right there, baby. Look at that. All right. Got a thick manual right on top. What the frick? Is this returned? Look at this. See all that dirt? If this is fully charged, you know it's been returned. No. Why is it dirty? Maybe it's just from bumping around the box. I don't know. Still smells new, but I'm always suspect of Lowe's and Home Depot. I've gotten a lot of return stuff. Anyways. Comes with two 2-amp-hour batteries, guys. Impact driver. Drill driver. Where's the rest of it? Aha! This cool little light I've been kind of anxious to check out. Let's check this bad boy out. I think it's kind of cool. Slap a 2 on there. Oh yeah. So we got high, low, off. This little swivel head there. It has 2, 4, 6, 8 LEDs. I want to say it's 300 lumens. I love little flashlights like this. Alright. And, oh, it doesn't even come with a jump charger as a standard charger, but I already have a jump charger on the wall that I got with the circular saw. And, of course, we have the oscillating tool, multi-job tool, whatever people call it. Just want to hear it. I'm going to vibrate my hands to death. Oh, that's nice. Oh, variable speed. That's nice. Feels nice. Not too much vibration. Quick release. I like that. All right. And we got a speaker. Jam out to some tunes, man. It's a cool little speaker. Does it... So it has a USB jack on the bottom, an auxiliary cord. It actually comes with an aux cord and a little box of goodies here. What's in this? I think this is all the clips. Oh. We got the clips. Oh, cool. Comes with a couple oscillating blades and, of course, the standard triangle sander. These are the belt clips. See a little Skil one on here. So all you do is supposed to flick it sideways like this. The thing opens up. I'm gonna do it one-handed. And it pops. There we go. Pops right back in place. Nice. Works good. Or I don't know if it works good, but it feels good. You know some of the multi-tools where you put in your hand and like just vibrates the crap out of your hand? This one's not too bad. Let's see, it has 11,000 to 18,000 vibrations per minute. I like it. Set that up to the side, put the 2 on the charger. Jump charge that bad boy. Now, I'm gonna try the radio. I think it's just a Bluetooth speaker. Actually, I probably can't because I'm recording with my phone right now. Dang it. Alright. I've not tried out the drill yet. This is a standard drill driver. It's not the hammer drill. The Skil does have the hammer drill I really want to get my hands on. Model DL529001. First gear 0 to 450 RPM. Second gear, or high, is 0 to 1700 RPMs. Half-inch chuck, really? Wow, it is a half-inch chuck. Look at that. So they got one up on the DeWalt's. The DeWalt's only a 3/8. Let's see, you have a half-inch bit here. Look at that. Fits the big ones. I like it. Okay, got her in drill mode. Feels good. Low. High. We're gonna put this bad boy through some tests. And granted, this is only half full. 2. Let's see what the 5 sounds like. So here's the 2. Whoa, you guys hear that difference? Huge difference. Alright, let's get these other ones charged up as well. And of course, last but not least is the hammer drill, which you guys seen me review this yet? No, wait, I think I'm gonna put this video out, and then I have the hammer drill comparison, or hammer drill impact driver between the DeWalt and the Skil. Should be out within a week. And then so once this video drops, I'll release this video probably within 4 to 5 days afterwards. Oh, nice. It has passive speakers on the side. I don't know if you guys can see through the little mesh screen there. I like it. I wonder how this thing sounds. Very cool. You guys want to hear the impact? I love that halo ring. Low, high. So this one is 0 to 1600 or 0 to 2600 RPMs. Impacts per minute. I want to say it's 3800. I can't remember off the top of my head. So, model number ID574401. There you go, guys. That was just a quick little unboxing of the new Skil. Well, it's not really that new. 5-piece set. Let me know what you think down below. Let me know if you guys got this set. Do you like it? Have you used these yet? What do you think, guys? Let me know. Very interested to hear what you guys have to say. We will be reviewing more of these in depth. I really like this light, guys. It's like perfect size. Awesome. There you go, guys. Unboxing of the Skil 12-volt 5-piece tool set, all brushless. Pretty slick. Comes with 2 batteries, all for under 150 bucks. Stick around, guys, for this head-to-head. I got the Skil 12-volt impact driver against the DeWalt Extreme 12-volt impact driver. A lot of good stuff coming up, guys. Also got the 12-volt circular saw between the DeWalt and the Skil coming out. I know I've been super slow on putting out videos, guys, but I'm getting back in it. So stick around, hit that subscribe, guys. Much love. Thank you. Be safe. Until next time, guys. See ya.